This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christy Baumgartner. Welcome to this charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac in the desirable Western Shores community. Designed with comfort and lifestyle in mind, this home features an open floor plan with an eat-in kitchen and canal views from the living room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious primary suite includes a walk-in closet, and the home boasts both a large Florida room, perfect for enjoying serene sunsets, and a side lanai ideal for entertaining. Boating enthusiasts will love the private boat dock with lift, complete with electric and water hookups, offering direct access to the Lake Eustis chain of lakes, your gateway to unforgettable days on the water. Additional features include a screened-in carport and storage shed with workshop. Wake up to the sounds of nature and enjoy the vibrant bird life just outside your door. Conveniently located near Lake Square Mall, Publix, Home Depot, and a wide range of shopping and dining. You're just a short drive from the charming towns of Tavares, Mount Dora, Eustis, downtown Leesburg, and the Villages. Don't miss this opportunity to own a slice of Florida paradise in a welcoming 55-plus community. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Baumgartner at 407-716-3321.